Happy Sunday, everyone. This is Christian Abush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. I want to bring to your attention today three of the homes that just hit the market, all waterfront, all beautiful. First off, in St. Petersburg, we have a four-bed, two-bath, 1,854 square foot home that's been listed with Imperial Real Estate. John Lee is the listing agent. This home sports over 75 feet of saltwater canal front, an in-ground pool, a two-car garage. This home is amazing, and It's been listed for just $1,300,000. Next, also in St. Petersburg, we have a four-bed, three and a half bath, 4,169 square foot property that's been listed with Century 21 Jim White and Associates, and Dana Perry is the listing agent. We have a three-car garage. We have over 115 feet of waterfront. This is a beautiful home that's been listed for $3,995,000. Lastly, up in Palm Harbor, the northern part of Pinellas County, we have a four-bed, three-bath, 2,502 square foot property listed with Tom Tucker Realty, and Tom Tucker is the listing agent. This home is on the market for $1,050,000, and it sports its own deck, in-ground pool, family space, a large garage and parking space you can fit four cars in. This is a wonderful, wonderful property. And any of these properties are of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. I'd love to go over your options if you're looking to buy in this beautiful neighborhood I call Pinellas County, or if you're looking to sell your home. Here, I'm here.